All right. Good day. Now, this is our donation charity website. So there has been need for this. I discovered there has been need for this. So decided to put this down for those that will need it. You can see the way it is. We made it look make it look so simple, easy to understand. I'll give you a quick run over it so you see how it works. Now, the contents are already written, so you don't even have much to deal with content. All the content are already well written to suit a donation or charity related website. You can see the way it is. Now, this is the donation that is ongoing. I'll show you how it works. Um, the pages, this is about page. This is the about page. You can still edit the pages if you so wish to. Um, Now, this is the project page. To see the list of projects or rather fundraising that has been created. We have the FAQ, the frequently asked questions. Now we have the account, the sign up, and also the contact. Now, first I'll do is I'll log in into the admin and explain to you how this actually works. Now, this is the admin login board. Now, let me log in. I'm running this on localhost. Now, this is how it is. Very simple. It's not complicated. The first registered user is the admin, so I've already created the admin. We have the users where we see the list of all the users. Also, we can create a user from the admin. um we have the gateway where you can create all the mode of payment. That's the modes of donation. You can say I've created to bank, the Bitcoin. You can still create more. Then we have the donations. Here is where you see the list of all the donation that has been made. We'll make a donation, then you see how exactly that works. Then this is the charity details, more like the fundraising that is being created. Now this is the one that I've created. I'll create another one on the process so you see how it works. Now this is category. For every fundraising you're creating, you have to put it into a particular category. So under the category, you can see I've created two categories already: children support and war help. So from the front end, that is something I would like to show you. From the front end, you can see there is a donate now button. If this donate now is clicked on, the payment can be made here. You can put the amount of payment you want to make and select any payment method. But a user can also log in and perform some tasks also. So the first thing I'll do here now is I will create a fundraising. So to do that, what I'll do, if I come to charity details, I come to new. So okay, let me select children support title. I can say feeding the street. I'll just select a random image. Okay, I have this image feeding. And for the description, I can't just start writing something. Let me just make something simple. So the description, you fill in your actual description. So now here we have the goals. The goals like how much are you planning to raise? Okay, let's say you're planning to raise 200,000, for instance. How much have you raised? You input the amount you've raised. Since we're creating a new platform, we've not raised any amount yet, so I won't put anything. You can create tags for it if you want. You can create tags by separating with comma. Um The date, I'll just select any date here. Okay, I'll just use this. Okay. Now under the status, you can make it inactive where it won't display. You can make it active. You can make it funded. If you realize the full amount you're looking for, it should be funded or completed, or it can be closed if it's no longer available. So for this, I'm making it active. So I'll click on create new. Now it has been created. What I want to show you here now is if you come to the project here, you notice this is what I created just now. You can see it. This is what I created just now. So you can create as many as you want. There is no limit. And if someone wants to donate, you can simply click on this and make a donation. It's that simple. The donation, it can be bank, it can be crypto. Now, for the to create a gateway, you can just come here, click on add new. Let's say you want to be receiving money in, let's say, Ethereum, for instance. You can just put that here, select, you select enable. So the here we can just, okay, let me just paste. This is the same thing here. If it's bank, you input your bank name and the account number. Let me just assume this is the Ethereum code. If you want to enable QR code, you click on it. If you don't want the QR code for it to be scannable, you can still unclick it. So now you can see. Now if we come to this donation, you will notice that you see the third one, Ethereum, will appear there now. You can see it has appeared. So if you want to make payment on Ethereum, you can see you make payment, pay to this wallet, and when you're done, you click on donate now. Now let me log into the user end so you see how it works. But before that, let me give you a total walk over the admin part. Here we have the system information and system settings. Now under the system settings, this is where you change your logo. You can change your logo here. You can give it a name here, which replaces every other name. You give it a slogan, give it a description, give it a phone number, you give it an address. If you come here and scroll down, you can see the information we have here on that spot is exactly what it's here. So you can change the logo from here. So another thing I would like to let you know is the email. Want to set up the email, you put in your webmail here, or you can also set up your SMTP. Then we also have the user settings. Under the user settings, you can temporarily disable sign up. Then there are very many other things. It's easy to understand. So on the user end, let me log in the user. The admin can also be a user. So I'll just log in the admin as a user. Now, on the user end, if a user wants to log in for him to make a donation, when they log in, they see all the necessary fundraising that are available. So from there, they can choose which to contribute to or which to support. So this is just something very, 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 very simple. So let's say, for instance, they want to donate to feeding the streets. Here, the budget is $200,000 and nothing has been raised yet. So you can click here to see details about it, or you can just click donate now. If they click donate now, then they can enter the amount they want to donate. Let's say they want to donate 7,000. Now this is the email address that is logged in. Then let's say we pay to this wallet address. After making the payment, click on agreed and click on donate. Now your donation was successful. Okay, now if I go back to the dashboard, you can see the donation that has been made hasn't affected yet, it hasn't reflected yet. So this is the admin. From the admin can click on donation. From donation, he sees the donation that was made, 7,000. You can see it. So you can see for now it's unconfirmed. So the admin can click edit and change it from unconfirmed to confirmed. And if there is a reference or a note, the admin can still do that, can still alter the amount if he wants to, and click on save. You can see the request was successful. Now the status has been changed to confirm. Now if I come back here and reload, you can see what has been raised. You can see the amount that has been raised. So on the user end, if I click on project, you can see 7,000 has been raised and the budget is 200,000. You can see that there is a progress bar. So this is just how this script works. It's simple, easy to use, easy to understand, no complication. So, but there is still more to it. There's still more to it on the admin end. On the user end, user can click on my donation and they will see the list of all donations that they have ever made. They will see the list of all their donations. User can come to profile, can update their profile picture, they can change their password. You mustn't be logged in for you to donate, but you can choose to log in. That's for the user. Now, when a user is logged in and they donate, anytime they come to my donation, they'll see the list of all the donation that they have ever made. They'll see the list of all the donation that they've ever made. So when you get this project, it's gonna come with a live chat and a translator. I'm on localhost, so that's why I didn't actually put that here. I just want to show you the core thing that is there. So if you need a live chat, you need a translator, it can be incorporated into this particular project. Thank you so much.